Hello, this is a video of an MCR1 that I've owned for many years. I pulled it out the other day and found it wasn't working, and I had to replace the oscillator valve, a 1T4. Normally the radio only drives earphones, so for the purpose of this video I've connected it to a speaker amplifier and I'm powering it up from a mains power supply rather than using batteries. I'll put links into the various different things, the valve supply and the power supply and the speaker amp, etc, etc, along with a link to the history of the radio for those that are interested. I think it's quite an interesting little radio, but you may not agree. So there we are, MCR1. It's something like 70 years old, and I'm just going to see if I can pick anything up. Hopefully you can hear that. That's Shannon Volmet on 5.505 megahertz. So to change bands, I have to, let's just turn that down a bit, put a different coil pack on. I'm just going to try it on the long wave. So the radio is a little bit unusual. The long wave, medium wave band is covered with a broadband filter. Yeah, so that's on there. I'll just see if I can pick up the BBC. It should be about 20.
My own mental health, everything seems to be sort of working out for the better, which is quite a sad state of affairs, really.
Yeah, but what's changed, other than the obvious of him having together things, what's changed?
So there are things out there from like HMRC that will help, particularly lone parents
the BBC
or
Radio 4.
parents on a low income. We never qualified before because his job took us slightly just above the threshold of where the cut-off point is, where you qualify for help. And so I think like there's
so there we are, an MCR1
people who are earning just a little bit too much. So
still working after 70 years. Thanks for watching.
It's so disproportionate, the amount that